Let's stir the pot, sharing your cooking experiences in English. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our series on conversational English. Today, we're spicing things up a bit as we dive into the topic of sharing personal cooking experiences. We'll learn how to talk about our culinary adventures, favorite recipes, and dining experiences. So grab your apron, because we're about to cook up some fantastic English phrases. When sharing your cooking experiences, it's essential to know how to describe the process accurately. Whether it's chopping vegetables, simmering soup, or baking a cake, each activity has specific vocabulary associated with it. For instance, we can use verbs like chop, mix, bake, and grill to describe the different actions involved in cooking. So, when talking about your cooking experiences, you might say, I love to grill chicken on the barbecue. Every Sunday, I bake cookies for my family. I've been learning how to chop vegetables like a professional chef. Remember, using specific verbs can make your descriptions much more vivid and engaging. It's not just about the process, it's about the outcome too. Being able to talk about your favorite dishes and recipes is a delightful part of sharing your cooking experiences. Use adjectives to describe the taste, texture, and appearance of your dishes. Let's take a look at some examples. My signature dish is a creamy pasta with crunchy toasted garlic. I love making spicy chicken curry. It's so flavorful and satisfying. One of my favorite recipes is velvety chocolate mousse. It's decadent and rich. Using adjectives like creamy, crunchy, spicy, flavorful, satisfying, velvety, decadent, and rich can make your descriptions deliciously descriptive. Cooking isn't just about preparing food. It's also about enjoying it. When you share your cooking experiences, don't forget to talk about the dining experience too. Whether it's a quiet dinner at home or a festive meal with friends, sharing these moments can add a personal touch to your story. Consider phrases like, we had a lovely family dinner at home. The food was delicious, and the company was even better. My friends and I had a potluck dinner last weekend. Everyone brought a dish, and we had a great time tasting all the different foods. Remember, sharing personal experiences can make your conversations more engaging and relatable. And that wraps up our tasty talk on how to share your cooking experiences in English. Remember, when talking about cooking, try to incorporate specific verbs, descriptive adjectives, and personal stories to make your discussions more vibrant and engaging. We hope you've enjoyed this lesson as much as we've enjoyed preparing it for you. Stay tuned for more deliciously engaging English lessons. Until next time, happy cooking and happier conversing.